She's hiding her face. She knows where the cameras are. Pink jacket is taking a selfie. Let's get that photo. Run facial scan for ID, please.
I got it.
I got it.
Hello, Pam. Aiden, that zip code is serviced by Midwest Power and Energy. Sky, we need the password to the smart home network.
Good morning, Iowa.
Good morning, Pam. Lane, get her out of that chair, and let's go find that photo. Miles, have that page ready when she comes back. Charles, get into her photo library. Red light. Aiden, your turn. Green light. Here she comes, red light. Lane, let the neighbors hear that TV.
Get it all on the butter.
Yeah, all that butter.
All right, all that butter.
And a little bit of salt.
Here's her selfie. Aiden email photo.
It actually takes the sweetness.
Oh,
yeah.
I love that. That, my friend, is an Iowan response.
Miles, enhance, please.